Alright, YouTube. So, what we're going to do today is I'm going to replace this key fob remote. This key is supposed to go in here, right? And I'm no longer need this key fob. Don't don't know I don't need it. Now I do still need this for my ignition key, and I don't want to carry this plastic thing because it's useless. So what I'm going to do, I have this coin, right? So this coin, I'm going to drill it and put the key there, bolt it on there, and that's my key for my ignition. And we'll see. So here it is. I drill it. Basically drill two holes. One holes for the key holder and holes for the bolts or the screws. So here it is. Here's my coin key for my ignition. I don't no longer need that plastic, right? Let's try it. All right, so here's the key, and there's the ignition. See if it works, right? There you go. Not too bad. Thank you for watching.